Did you know? Your spouse's assets and bank accounts can be frozen after they pass away, even if you have a will, because everything still needs to go through probate court and that can take months. Oh, and you will need to hire an attorney. Can you afford to wait? Is there something you can do to stop this and make it stress-free? Yes. You are already going through enough at this time. You could get a POD set up for assets and bank accounts, but you still have to mess with the institutions and fill out paperwork. Is there an even easier way? Yes. It is not uncommon nowadays for couples not to have jointly shared assets and bank accounts. So, have you ever heard of a trust? A trust does not need probate court ever as long as there is a living trustee. The trust continues on without any paperwork, time, or stress. Your spouse can still keep control over their money and assets even with you as a trustee. Let us teach you how. So why use our trust? Our trust is copyrighted through the U.S. Copyright Office, and we also have tons of testimonials that the trust works with 100% asset protection and also how easy it is to set up. Plus, our trust has more benefits than the rest. Why not go the easier and less stressful way? Come see for yourself. Get more information at libertyaidacademy.org. Have a blessed day.